Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the place vessels at estimated position function on the OnCourse application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the Tools section, go to the Settings button. At the left side on the screen, go to the Cruise Mode options, scroll down, and in the Place Vessels at the Estimated Position option, just click to the next white circle and click to the OK. And this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.